Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic with Maths. Today we are going to learn about integers of 7th class, the introduction for the second exercise. I have already told about the first exercise and introduction for first exercise in a previous video. I'll keep the link in this video below. Please check that video also. Today we are learning about introduction of exercise 2 of integers. In a previous class, we learned about addition and subtraction of integers. In this video, we are studying multiplication of multiplication of integers. What is multiplication of integers? We have to multiply the integers. In multiplication integers, first topic is multiply a positive and a negative integer. Let us assume a is a positive integer and the b is the negative integer. When we multiply a and b, we get the answer c. Here, which sign we get? Here it is a positive sign and the negative sign. When we multiply a positive and negative sign, we always get the negative. And don't confuse when you write as minus a into b. When you write a negative number before first and the positive number second, here also first a into b value is c. Negative into positive also always negative. Don't confuse this. For example, 2 into minus 3. What we get first? Multiply 2 into 3, 6. Positive into negative means always negative. Minus 3 into 2. Again, minus 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. Negative into positive also negative. This is the topic of multiplying a positive and negative integer. Let's see the second topic. Multiplication of integers is multiply two negative integers, which means minus a into minus b. Minus into minus, which becomes positive. So a into b is c. We get the positive answer. So let's see an example like minus 5 into minus 2. First, 5 twos are 10. Multiply the both signs. Minus into minus plus. The answer is plus 10. We learned about multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer and two negative integers. So let's move to the next topic. The next topic is properties of multiplication. Here we are learning about properties, the properties which are there in multiplication. The first property is closure under multiplication. Commutative of multiplication. Commutativity of multiplication. And the third property is multiplication by zero. The fourth is multiplicative identity. And the fifth is distributive property. It is, sorry, distributive property. And the sixth is associative property. These are the properties of multiplication. Let's see one by one. I'm telling about closure under multiplication. What is meant by closure under multiplication? It is nothing but multiplication of two integers, may be negative or positive. Let's see an example. Minus 2 into minus 3. First, 2 into 3 is 6. Negative into negative, it is positive. It is the one closure under multiplication. And the second option is 12 into minus 2. Here we are using positive and negative. 12 twos are 24 first. Positive into negative is always negative. It is the closure under multiplication. Let's see the commutative of multiplication. We have a formula for commutative of multiplication. A into B equals to B into A. It is nothing but when we multiply two numbers, if you reverse it also, we get the same answer. This is the commutative property. Let's see an example like minus 4 into 3. Again 3 into minus 4. What we get? 4 threes are 12, which is common. Negative into positive or positive into negative, it is always negative. I think everyone understood about commutative property. And the multiplication of 0. It is nothing but if you multiply 0 with any number, we always get 0. Either it is a positive integer or negative integer. Let's see. Minus 2 into 0. What we get? Always 0. With a positive integer. 3 into 0. Again, it is always 0. And the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means A into 1. We know the multiplicative identity of whole numbers is 1. So, for integers also, multiplicative identity is 1. A into 1 is A. When we multiply with 1 means we always get the same number. Like 2 into 1, we get 2. Minus 5 into 1, we get minus 5. It doesn't change. Next, distributive property. Distributive property means A into B plus C should equals to A into B plus A into C. I'll show you with an example. Like 4 into 2 plus minus 1. How we write? A is the 4, B is 2, and C is minus 1. Let's write in this formula. What is A? 4. And then B, 4 into, it is a positive number, 4 into 2 I wrote. Again it is has addition symbol, I wrote it. Again A, which is 4 into, what is the value of C? Minus 1. I'm writing the minus 1 here. 4 into 2 plus, first we have to remove the brackets. Plus into minus, always minus. Here, 4 twos are 8 plus, here we have to remove the brackets means we have to multiply it. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Then 4 into 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 plus into minus, minus. What we get? 4 ones are 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. We got the same answer, right? Then we can, it is a distributive property. That why I wrote here equals to. Let's learn associative property. Associative property is nothing but A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Let's see an example. 2 into 1 into minus 1. What is the value of A here? A is 2, B, and here C. What's the value of A? 2 into, what's the value of B? 1 into, C value is minus 1. First we have to remove brackets. 2 into 1 is 2 into minus 1. 2 into 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1. Positive into negative, negative. 2 ones are 2. Positive into negative, negative. 2 ones are 2. We got the same answer, right? This is the associative property. These are the introduction for the exercise 2. In the next video, we'll see the exercise 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Magic with Maths. Please avoid my handwriting. I'll improve it. Thanks for watching.